Mercy Eke is one of the most iconic personalities to emerge from the Big Brother Naija franchise. She is a dynamic blend of charm, ambition, and strategic brilliance. Her rise to fame began in 2019 when she became the first female winner of Big Brother Naija, and since then, she has built an enviable empire around her name, beauty, and brand. Following her victory, Mercy Eke quickly became a symbol of luxury and success. Known for her extravagant lifestyle, Mercy regularly flaunts her love for the finer things in life. From exotic vacations to her impressive collection of designer bags, clothes, and jewelry, she unapologetically lives large. One of her most talked about purchases was her Lamborghini, which she proudly displayed on social media with the caption "Lambo in a Lambo." This purchase was more than just a car, it was a statement, a declaration that she had arrived, and she was here to stay. Her luxury lifestyle has not only set her apart but also drawn massive attention and admiration. People follow her because she embodies the dreams of many, which is glamour, wealth, confidence, and independence. Mercy is not just a pretty face or a reality star, she's a sharp businesswoman. After Big Brother, she launched her fashion brand, Luxury, a clothing line that caters to classy and trendy women. The brand reflects her personal style, bold, elegant, and unapologetically glamorous. In 2020, she expanded her entrepreneurial portfolio by launching Lambo Homes, a real estate company. The business was founded with the aim of providing affordable and luxury housing solutions, especially for young Nigerians looking to invest wisely. Her strategic positioning in both fashion and real estate showcases her versatility and long-term vision. These ventures have helped solidify Mercy's reputation as a modern business mogul who isn't just relying on her fame but actively building sustainable wealth. Mercy Eke's fan base, popularly known as the Mercenaries, is one of the most loyal and vocal in Nigeria's entertainment scene. From her BB Naija days to now, her fans have consistently stood by her, voting, defending her online, and supporting her business and influencing efforts. What makes the Mercenaries so powerful is not just their numbers but their loyalty. They are known to buy products she endorses and promote her content tirelessly. Mercy understands the power of this community, and she nurtures it by engaging with them, appreciating their support, and always giving them content they love. Mercy Eke has mastered the art of influence. She understands that her fans trust her, and she uses that trust responsibly and profitably. Over the years, she has worked with numerous brands across different sectors: beauty, fashion, beverages, tech, and real estate. Brands love to collaborate with Mercy because she delivers results. Her endorsements are more than just pictures, they convert. Her audience believes in her, and that belief translates into real-time sales and visibility for the companies she partners with. From Ciroc to skincare products, fashion brands to tech startups, Mercy Eke has become the go-to influencer for brands that want serious impact and visibility. With multiple income streams, ranging from her businesses, influencing deals, acting gigs, and appearances, Mercy has built a considerable fortune. While she doesn't publicly reveal her net worth, her assets and lifestyle speak volumes. Her lavish properties, expensive cars, and luxury vacations are clear indicators of financial success. But beyond the material displays, Mercy is investing wisely, venturing into real estate, education, and entrepreneurship in ways that show she's building long-term wealth. Not one to rest on her laurels, Mercy has also taken steps toward personal growth. In 2024, she announced that she had enrolled in a Master of Business Administration (MBA) program in the UK. This move further reinforces her commitment to excellence, showing that she values not just fame, but knowledge, leadership, and strategy. She continues to evolve, constantly reinventing herself and maintaining relevance in a fast-paced, ever-changing industry. Mercy Eke's journey is a masterclass in branding, strategy, and business. From reality TV winner to a full-blown media personality and entrepreneur, she has proven that it's not just about the platform you're given, it's what you do with it. Through her business acumen, magnetic presence, and a powerful army of loyal fans, she has built an empire many aspire to replicate. Mercy Eke is not just a celebrity, she is a movement, a brand, and a force in the Nigerian entertainment and business landscape.